Hey everyone, this is Eric Jacobson. I just wanted to quickly show you this new token that is just hitting the market. It's called NRGY, Energy, and it's the hottest DeFi project of 2021. It just launched literally a week or so ago, and it is going to be fantastic. It's a fantastic opportunity to earn passive cryptocurrency on a decentralized platform where no one's going to pull the rug out from under you, and you're going to be able to earn a 4% weekly staking match and a much bigger staking reward at the beginning, where you're going to be able to earn up to 10% or 10% plus in the first few weeks here as it gets launched. So here we are. We're just taking a look at this back office. I do have a small amount of energy staked right now, about half of one NRGY token that's staked. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go ahead and put $15,000 worth of Ethereum into a brand new staking contract. I'm just going to walk you through how you do that. So first thing you want to do is just click on the Ethereum button here, and then you'll see your wallet is connected to this connects through a MetaMask wallet. So once your wallet's connected, what I'm going to do here is actually put in $15,000 US, which is going to be 7.94 Ethereum. So 7.94 Ethereum is $15,000. So what I'm going to do, I have that Ethereum in my MetaMask right now. I'll show you here in a second. I'm just going to enter 7.94 Ethereum here, and I'm going to stake that. So you can see, and the reason I'm staking that right now is because we've got these large benefits staking bonus that's happening just for the first few weeks, and then it's going to go to 4% a week, 4% a week over the next 100 weeks, which is absolutely phenomenal. If you follow this chart down to 100 weeks, I'm not going to do it right now, but it's on this landing page that you're looking at. If you're looking at this, if you click the link in the description below, you'll get to this landing page, and you'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about when you look at this this staking minting schedule, I guess, is what you'd look at. So it's gonna be rolling out for the next 100 weeks, and it's going to be multiplying your crypto, exponentially. So right now, NRG is at a price of $586.83, or no, $587.77. And that is what the current price is. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be staking this through MetaMask with using Ethereum as the cryptocurrency that I'm staking with. So I'm going to put in 7.94 Ethereum. I'm going to stake it right now. And that's going to pull up my MetaMask wallet. So it's going to be 7.94 Ethereum, plus there's always a gas price anytime we're working with Ethereum. And what the beauty of this is that it is a smart contract through the Ethereum network, and it's built right onto the blockchain. And what that means for you is that it's a decentralized project. It means that it's in the market arena of DeFi, with decentralized finance. So what this energy token is going to be primarily, it's going to be a basically an app store for decentralized finance projects to get built on top of. So I'm adjusting the gas price here briefly, just to pay a little bit less in gas fees, and I'm just going to go ahead and click the button and get this rolling. So I'll do this in just a second here. There you go. So now it is in process right now. So if I click on my MetaMask wallet and I click on the activity, I can see right now that that contract is pending. And so you can see that that contract is in the process of going through. There's a button there that you can speed up that process if you'd like to have it go through quicker, or you can just wait on it and it will clear as soon as it is. The way the Ethereum network works is every second the top 15 highest bid gas price transactions get completed. So depending on what you're willing to pay for gas is going to determine what you're going to see as far as how quickly it's going to process. So right here I'm looking at the actual blockchain through Etherscan, and looking at this is going to take anywhere from 1 to 4 minutes. So it's just in process right now, and now, oh, there it is. It is staked. I now currently have 19.54 NRGY tokens staked on that through this smart contract. And so what that's going to do is that's going to give me a weekly return of at least 4% per week for the next, actually we're in the 3rd week, so the next 97 weeks. And initially it's going to be upwards towards 10%, close to 10% of a return for the first 4 weeks that we're in this contract. So you can see that I've staked 19.54 NRG, and I've got a return earned that's going to be 2.78, which if we do the math on that, is well over 10% return, which is awesome. So this is a way to be able to be in the cryptocurrency space in a decentralized way where no one's going to be able to run off with your funds, and you'll be able to make a passive return and be able to earn energy, which you can turn to Ethereum very easy through Uniswap, and then you can very quickly and easily get that money directly in your account. So now is the time to be in the cryptocurrency space. Now is the time to be able to earn passive incomes through a truly decentralized smart contract on the Ethereum network. This NRGY staking process is phenomenal, super easy. I'd be more than happy to walk you through it, or have someone on my team walk you through it. But please like this channel. I'm just starting this brand new channel, and I'm going to be talking about cryptocurrency. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel for more updates in the future. I look forward to talking to you guys soon. I hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye.